Hello everyone. So we are preparing for AMCAT examination which is coming very soon. Okay. So this video will help you to preparation in AMCAT. So I will guide you how you can take the practice test of AMCAT examination. Okay. So please follow my steps as I am guiding you. So firstly, you have to search on Google Data Tech Alpha. Okay. There is the first option. Click here. This is the website of DataTech Alpha and you can take free of cost practice test here. So just scroll down. Here is a tab, AMCAT practice. Just click here. Write your name, email ID, contact number and create a minimum 8-digit password. Okay. There is a option college code. So this is completely option. Is not for you. Okay. And after that, you have to click here, send OTP. And you will receive an OTP on your email address, which you mention over there. So this is just email verification. Just write your OTP here and create your account successfully. After the creation, you have to sign in here. Okay, just write ID and password. You can sign in your dashboard and you can see your dashboard like this. So after sign in, just scroll down and you can see there is a tab AMCAT practice test. Click here. Okay. So here you can see practice test. It will take 140 minutes per test. 7 sections in each test. Okay. Now you can start your free test. Start test. It will require your camera and microphone access. So give the permission here. And the test duration is 140 minutes. And there are 7 sections and each sections are 100 marks. Okay. So you can attempt here. Read the all instructions carefully. Now you can start test. Here you can see your camera. Okay. Just adjust it. And there is a options, English comprehensions. You can practice here, computer science, computer programming, quantitative ability, logical ability, okay, Automata Pro. So you can practice here and Automata Fix algorithm you can solve. So it will help you to score in MCAT exam. I hope you all can understand how you can take this test. So thank you everyone.